Good morning, dear students. It is your today test. Before starting this test, you must watch this video, which will be very helpful for you. The topic of this worksheet is kind of sentences and subject and predicate. So first of all, let's talk about the types of sentences. Dear students, do you know how many types of sentences are there? There are mainly 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means a sentence that states a fact, and we can say in other words the sentence which declares a statement, feeling, opinion, history is called an assertive sentence. So assertive sentence is called declarative sentence. Assertive sentence ends with full stop. Always remember, assertive sentence ends with full stop. Now second is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence means we ask a question to someone. When we ask a question to someone, that is called interrogative sentence. For example, what is your name? What is your name? Where do you live? How do you do? There are many examples. There are many sentences. Dear students, always remember, we put question mark in the end of interrogative sentence. Question mark in the end of interrogative sentence. How will you identify this sentence? With its question mark. Third is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a direct command, request, invitation, warning, or instruction. Imperative sentences do not have a subject and start with main verb. Always it is the remember point. It is the important point of about the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence do not have a subject and start with main verb. As for example, open the door. Open the door. You is hidden in the sentence. You is hidden in the sentence in the imperative sentence. 4 is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a statement that expresses strong emotion. An exclamatory sentence is a statement that expresses strong emotion. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. In exclamatory sentence, we use exclamation mark. Now second topic is subject and predicate. Subject. Now let's talk about the subject and predicate. What is a subject? Subject. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, thing or idea that is doing. It means it shows what the sentence is about or who or what is performing. It means that work done by a person, place, thing, that is called subject. The subject part is called naming part. Naming part भी subject part होता है sentence का. Second is predicate. A predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. It means what the subject is doing कि subject क्या कर रहा है, what the subject is और subject क्या है. Predicate part. Dear students, we can in simple words. Doer part of the sentence is called subject and verb part or action part is the called predicate of the sentence. Okay, I hope you have understood well. Now you can do your test easily. Thanks and have a nice day.